oh my heart. I just turned around and I caught something in a corner of my eye and I thought it was a massive spider, but it wasn't. Yeah, this house is like Spider House. Anyway, that's another video. So I am jumping on today to talk about Python. I have been coding now for about a year on and off. I started my Python journey last year, I think November, and I basically was novice, like nothing, no, like anything. I had no idea what's going on. So my boyfriend actually during COVID bought me this book, Python Crash Course, and it sat on my bookshelf for 2 years. Then I thought, why not give it a go? As you can see, that's where I stopped, and I'll explain why. So I'm going to give you some advice as well as why I'm doing this. So basically, I've signed up to a course called CFG Girls, and they do free coding courses for women. I do every Tuesday between 6:30 and 8:30, I do a coding course. It is intense and it is long and you have to practice. But this is why I have this as well, because anything I don't really understand, I can get in contact with my tutors, but also I can self-assess myself. I'm also very lucky that my partner is fluent in Python. He is a coder. He loves this stuff, so he can help me when I don't get stuff, which is great. So the course is at 8 weeks, and by the end of it, I will have a small qualification within coding. Then I can lead that onto one of their CFG degrees if I apply for it, which is a proper application like you're applying for a university place, like personal statement, interview, and then it's a 6-month, I think, course where you just basically become a programmer. Reason why I did this, it's fun. Again, I'm actually not again because I just filmed another video, but I don't class myself as like a maths type, coding type brain. I'm a humanities based brain, but I'm funny enough, I actually enjoy this stuff because it's like a puzzle to solve. So that's kind of where I'm at. I'm doing this because I'm trying to build my CV, also because it's something to do in enjoyment. Like I'm applying for jobs at the moment, but this makes me feel like I'm doing something more. So this is the book. Literally, I highlight and I write in the margins and stuff, and also I have my laptop, which I have PyCharm downloaded onto as well. I need it for the course, but also I need it for this. And this is very handy as a reference book. So like if you don't know what a tuple is, then you can just go to the back and find tuples, and there's like a chapter on it and stuff. Key, notepad. No one tells you about coding that actually, and this is my boyfriend's advice, who's been coding for years, write it down. He said that you should not be going near a computer when you're solving things. You should be writing the code out on a piece of paper. And I'm just trying to see if I do have any codes written up. Yes, so see, like that. Before I even put it on the computer, I decided to write it down. And it's because that you can really get a more solid understanding of it when you do that. It's really funny to actually, because going over it now, I've done this course already, but it's good as a refresh, and I actually realised I've retained a lot more than I thought. So this is where it's really good. I'm really happy to be doing this again. Another thing that also helps me, flashcards. I have written down stuff for lists and variable types. That's just my boyfriend's doing maths with me. Working with lists, so the for loops, logical operators, all of these different things are very handy to have. And that's why I bought these flashcards. And also they're just handy if you need just a bit of paper to doodle a equation or whatever on. I'm actually really happy to be doing this because I actually enjoy it, and it is something that keeps the brain going as such. So to do this course, I literally just applied for it online. I had to wait on a waiting list because it's very popular, and then I got onto the course. It's a video thing, so I do it from the home. And in my last week of it, I have to present a project that I've made with somebody else. So me and some other people will create something. I'm leaning more towards making an Excel file using this stuff, because I'm thinking of jobs like in the city and stuff that would be something that they would want from me. And yeah, I'm just enjoying it. Like, I'm doing silly things. Like, I found out that on a print statement I can put an emoji and the emoji prints, which is fantastic. But yeah, it is really, really fun. So I'm hoping to become a Python something at some point. Probably going to take a long time, but again, practice. And yeah, so that's kind of where I am at with Python. Any questions, please pop them down below. I don't know if this is any help. This book is really, really good. I got it off, I think my boyfriend got it off Amazon. He's used this brand of book for studying because I think he's learning Rust and stuff, which is another language. And it's cool because also you get to make a game by the end of this. If you get to the end of it, you've made a full game, which is really fun. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment. Please leave any comments below if you want to, and like if you want me to go into anything more in depth. And I'll show you how I study and stuff, and also pop up a little video after this of the course this evening. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.